Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a super easy cheat recipe for garlic bread. I hope you enjoy and don't forget to subscribe. So for ingredients you're going to need bake at home bread. So this is not a fully baked roll, this is partially baked and you're going to need that because it's really important to creating the steam that's going to make everything moist. So you can find these usually in the supermarket. I know Lidl does them. You can get baguette style or sourdough style like this one. You're going to need some spring onion, some garlic of course, some garlic powder, vegan butter. I'm using dried parsley today, but you can always use fresh, it's just as delicious. Salt and pepper. So really easy recipe. There are your ingredients. To start off this recipe, we're going to be chopping up our spring onion as well as peeling our garlic. Like I said in the beginning, this is a really easy recipe, but it makes such a huge difference. It's so much tastier than store-bought garlic bread, and because it's so easy, it's such an easy way to elevate any sort of dinner party or impress someone because the flavors in this are just so much stronger. So as you can see, I've diced the spring onion nice and fine, and I'm using the back of the knife just to crush the garlic and make it easier to peel. And then I'm peeling my garlic and putting that aside to start on the butter. For the butter, I'm adding a heaping teaspoon of butter along with a pinch of salt and pepper. And then I'll be adding half a teaspoon of garlic powder as well as about a teaspoon of dried parsley. You can use fresh parsley of course, and I'm mixing those in so the flavors are well distributed. I'll be adding in my garlic, just crushing that into the butter as well as the spring onions and giving that a final mix so everything is spread out well. And then I'm moving on to my bread. For the bread, you want to make incisions about 3/4 of the way through the bread, and then using the spoon dollop in generous helpings of that garlicky butter. And I would say don't be light-handed on this. I know it's not the healthiest, but this is a treat meal. So be generous because the flavour and the juiciness it will provide is really delicious. And I'm popping that on my baking tray and in the oven at 180 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how hot your oven is, essentially until it's nice and golden brown on top. And it should be looking absolutely delicious and your kitchen should smell amazing. And then you're ready to serve, and it's really easy to tear off, and as you can see, each piece is packed with flavour and nice and juicy. And here's some ASMR for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more really easy recipes in the future. Bye bye!